In this video, we're going to unbox this little product from Blackmagic that is very good. In this case, you own everything and you will be happy. So it's not like Ninja that you own nothing and you will be happy. Well, with this you own everything. So, because the problem with Ninja, I mentioned in another video, they charge you, for each codecs. If you want to H265, you have to pay extra. If you want another codec, you have to pay extra. So with this, just you take it out of the box and you're ready to go. So here we are going to change the camera. So this is the box that you see. I just took it out so that way it will be easier, but this is what you're going to get. You can record in 2 SD cards, so you can monitor the audio with this, and you can search with the wheel that you have here. You have a small screen as usual. You can change the input, so if you want to use HDMI, SDI, and you have here the button, so it looks very nice. So as you can see here, 6G SDI, HDMI, ProRes. So if you use Apple products, for instance Final Cut, here DNxHRR, and then you have a H265, that this is the one I'm going to be using. And here you have more Blackmagic. Here nothing else. Here on this side not much. Here a few features. Search dial, HyperDeck Studio features, traditional deck style transport control, including search dial for shove, for a jog, a shuttle, and scroll. Here you have the LCD, so if you want to see whatever you're recording. The LCD includes a monitor for video plus audio levels, emitters, selectable between technical accurate VU or PPM ballistic. So here you have the live monitoring, and here you have this is what I like. I'm going to try and see how it goes. So external disc recording for recording to another types of media. The USB-C expansion port let you plug in external flash drives, flash disk, or any disk array. So let's see how it goes. And here on the other side you have more. So if you want to pause the video, you can see it. And here you have the technical specifications. Here it says all the formats of everything that you can see. I'm going to zoom it in a little bit. So here you're going to have the HDMI in, the output. And so if you plug in your camera here you monitor, you're good. And then here you have the SDI output. If you have, for instance, the switcher, they use mostly SDI, that is the professional port. And here you have the monitor, and here for the hard drive, here the Ethernet. So if you want to upgrade the unit, you can do it using that. And here you have the remote control. And this I like if you are doing like van life or something like that. Motorhome, you're going to be able to plug in 10 to 14 volts, as you can see here, and 5 volts. So basically you can power this up. I have the other HyperDeck, and I have done it myself. I have to take it apart, do everything by myself, but it's possible. Otherwise, if you want to connect the shot directly to the wall, you can. Then 100 volts or 240 shot directly. So if you're in South America, it will work. If you're in US, it's going to work as well. So HyperDeck, it says support including ProRes, DNX, like I said before, ProRes 422, HQ, ProRes, the LT, and then here you have the 264. They have another version that is a little bit more expensive, that you can record up in 265. But as you can see, I mean, everything is up, out of the box, so you can plug it in and it will work right away. Multi-channel SDI audio, and then here it says Blackmagic OS power. So here you have all the software, and here is the main thing. So if you want to know, all the the resolution from different cameras that is going to support. So hopefully this is going to work pretty good. So I'm going to show you the product a little bit closer. So I'm going to zoom out so that way you can see it. So basically when you take it out of the box, it comes with a manual. These type of things that you see here, stickers like Apple. I mean, this is look like more like an Apple products. So here you have the manual. So if you want to download, just download the manual. So it's cool. So the only thing that is you have to have a, you know, like a new phone. If you have a flip phone, surely you're not going to go that far with this. Otherwise, I mean, it's good. So you take it out of the box. Here's the product. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to save the styrofoam. This, I'm going to put it in the box so that way I don't lose it. I'm going to put the paperwork just in case if I have to sell it someday. You know, you have everything in one place, otherwise you may lose it later. So now I save it the box. I'm going to put it away, and that's it. So this is the product, as you can see here. So basically it's the same thing that you see in the box. HDMI in, output, the Ethernet. So if you want to have the latest and greatest, I would recommend you to try to upgrade the unit. And if there is any bug or anything like that, they're going to be able to fix it. See, as you can see, this is the unit. I like it a lot. This button, this red one, looks even reddish, more redder than usual. So the blue one, the wheel and everything. The only downside of this is they don't include a power cord, so you have to buy it separately. But other than that, that is what they do all the time, and this is ready to go. So as usual, I am in US. If you want any product like this, tools or anything like that, just let me know. I can ship it to you, DHL, FedEx, or anything like that. And maybe later I'll make a video about how to use it. But there are many videos usually explaining how to use it. This is a very self-explanatory almost. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below. If you want me to make a video about something else, let me know as well. Thank you for watching. See you next time.